Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little lip tutorial on how I overline my lips to make voluptuous, luscious, overlined lips. I got inspired to do this whenever I went to my mom's house last week, and she asked if I had blown my lips up. And the answer is no, I just overlined them. So I just figured out, why not do a little tutorial? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. We're gonna go from Cameron Diaz to Jay-Z. Okay, so the products I like to use whenever I overline my lips are just three products. Is the MAC lip pencil in Stripdown, which is this, and the NYX soft matte cream in London, which is this. And then a limited edition lipstick from L'Oreal collaboration with Balmain. And this is the nude. And this is called Urban Safari. And these are what I use to get a big lips. So now what I'm gonna do is overline my lips and get my little myrrh. So let's get overlining. Okay, so you want to get your pencil, and I put a little bit of foundation on my lips to like cancel out my lips so I can get like a blank canvas and get popping. So my lips, they're kind of big, but I like them to look a little bigger, so I just take my pencil and I start at the Cupid's bow, which is this part right here of your lips, and I just slightly overline, not to be dramatic, just slightly. Like that. And then I like overline half of my lip, and then I just fill in the natural line of it. My bottom lip, I don't even mess with it. Are they really? And then I look up in my big mirror right here. I just look up to see if it looks a little crooked. If it is, then I just continue to hold my head up and just make it even. I just fill the bottom lip. I just fill the bottom lip in normal because it's already luscious. So we should look a little something like that. Okay, so now we're gonna use our matte soft matte lip cream in London to fill in our lips. I like to use mattes because you can always change doubles and gloss. And we'll just do this, and I like that it's the same color as a lip liner. And then once it's drying, you want to go back in with your lip pencil and just perfect the fullness of your lips. If it's not big enough, you can go higher. Alright, there's that. And yeah, it's dry enough. So now we're gonna go with our nude, and I like to add it in the center of my lips because it gives that pouty look, and dab it out with my finger. You can just dab with your finger. And then if you want to go an extra step and have them look even bigger, then you want to go in with the gloss. This is MORPHE in BOHO. It's a new clear gloss. And just dab that in the center too. Alrighty guys, here's the completed look on today's video. Alright, so I'm about to skedaddle because I'm hungry. My stomach is talking. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Even subscribe if you want to. Just a little bit, no man. And then if you decide to do this, leave a comment. And then I get back at you. Alrighty, I'm out because I'm hungry. Bye!